This video will systematically introduce the common causes of the iPhone black screen of death and provide several proven solutions to help you restore your iPhone step by step. Part 1. What causes iPhone black screen of death? The iPhone black screen of death can be caused by several factors. 1. Battery issues. Low battery or aging battery can prevent the screen from turning on. 2. iOS system errors. Corrupted system files or interrupted updates can lead to a black screen. 3. App crashes. Unstable apps can cause system crashes, resulting in a black screen. 4. Hardware damage. Physical damage like drops or water exposure can affect the screen. 5. Unauthorized modifications. Jailbreaking or installing unofficial software can disrupt the system. Part 2. How to fix iPhone black screen of death. Below, we will introduce several common and effective solutions, listed in order from easiest to most complex. Fix 1. Charge the iPhone. Connect the iPhone to a charger and charge it for at least 30 minutes before attempting to turn it on. Fix 2. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 8 and later, press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus. Hold the side button and volume down button together until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier. Hold the home button and power button together until the Apple logo shows up. Fix 3. Restore iPhone with iTunes. However, this method will erase all data on your iPhone, so it's best used if you have a backup. Step 1. Install and open the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. Put the iPhone into recovery mode. Step 4. You will then see a notice pop up in iTunes on your computer, asking you whether to restore or update your iPhone. Step 5. Choose Update, which will not erase your data. Step 6. If Update doesn't work, you will need to select Restore. After restoring, you can restore a backup from iTunes or iCloud if you have one. Fix 4. Put the iPhone into DFU mode. A DFU restore is a deep system restore that can fix severe issues, but it may render your iPhone unusable if it's physically or water damaged. It also leads to data loss as it resets the device to factory settings. If you're concerned about these risks, consider other solutions instead. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes. Step 2. Follow the DFU key combination for your specific iPhone model. Step 3. Keep the screen completely black. This confirms DFU mode. Step 4. When iTunes detects the device, choose Restore. Step 5. Wait for the firmware installation to complete. Fix 5. Using iOS system recovery without data loss. To avoid data loss when fixing the iPhone black screen of death, consider using iOS System Recovery, a professional third-party software. It provides a safe and easy way to resolve the issue without risking data loss. Step 1. Launch the software on your computer and connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Click the More tool in the bottom left and then click iOS System Recovery. Step 2. After that, the program will detect your iPhone black screen of death problem automatically. Then you can click the Start button to move on. Step 3. Check and confirm your iPhone information as prompted. After that, click the Repair button to begin repairing. The software will download the latest firmware version for your device. After 5 to 10 minutes, your iPhone will exit the black screen and be back to normal. Fix 6. Contact Apple support. If none of the above methods work, it's likely a hardware issue, such as a damaged screen or motherboard problem. In this case, it's recommended to visit an official Apple repair center or an authorized service provider for diagnosis.